is the meaning of unit digit or what is the meaning of last digit means both are the same. Okay. If you have a number 349, 9 is nothing but you can call 9 as a unit digit. Okay. You can call 9 as last digit also. Okay. You can call 9 as unit digit and you can call 9 as last digit also. Okay. The question they can speak about last digit. In the question they can speak about unit digit also. Both are the same. This frequency is nothing but cyclicity, guys. Okay. That means after how many powers of 1, the unit digits are going to get repeated. Okay. I'm repeating it once again. After how many powers of the particular number? I have taken the numbers from 1 to 9. After how many powers of the particular numbers, the unit digits are going to get repeated. Okay. So unit digit is 1. 1 power anything you take, that is nothing but 1 only. That means the power cycle of 1 is nothing but 1 and cyclicity or frequency is nothing but 1. Okay. So you see here 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 cube is nothing but 8. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. Since I concentrate on the units places, I have taken 2, 4, 8, not 16, 6. Why? Because in 16, what is the units place or last place? That is nothing but 6 now. Okay. So power cycle is nothing but these four numbers means the meaning of this is nothing but after every four powers of 2, the unit digits of 2 are going to get repeated. Okay. I'm repeating it once again, guys. Please understand it clearly. After every four powers of 2, the unit digits of 2 are going to get repeated. So that means if you find out for 2 power 5, 32. If you find out for 2 power 6, that is 64. If you find out for 2 power 7, 128, yeah, 128. If you find out for 2 power 8, that is nothing but 256. 128 means 256. Okay. Again, the same unit digits 2, 4, 8, 6 are going to get repeated. Okay. So this cycle, power cycle means after 4 powers of 2, these unit digits are going to get repeated. That's the reason in power cycle column you have taken the units places of the powers. Okay. And you have here cyclicity of 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So if you consider the same for number 3, if you have taken the same, you can apply here. 3 power 1, 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. You have taken 7 over there. 3 power 4, 81. You have 1 over there. After every 4 powers of 3, the power cycles of units places are going to get repeated. That's the reason the cyclicity is nothing but 3. Okay. That's the reason the cyclicity is nothing but 3. Done. So for 4 and 5 and 6, you have a easy way to remember, guys, and even for 9 also. Okay. So let's check it out for the remaining also. So 4 power odd numbers, I can say that 4 power odd numbers can give you the unit digit as 4 and 4 power even numbers can give you the unit digit as 6. Okay. How can I say that means? Please check it for that. 4 power 1, 4 power 2. Only 2 are there. Okay. After the two values, the cycle is going to get repeated. That means you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and 3 are 5 are nothing but odd numbers. Okay. So if you have 4 power odd numbers as powers, then you will be getting 4 as the unit digit. And if you have 4 power even numbers as the powers, then you have 6 as the unit digit. Okay. That is one of the observation we can do. And we can take it as a shortcut, guys. Okay. So next 5 power anything. You take 5 power any value. Any value means it can be even number, it can be odd number. So you can be having same 5 as the units place. If you take 6 power any number, that means it can be even number or odd number. You will be having 6 as the units place. That's how cyclicity is nothing but only 1. So for next 7 and 8, you have to concentrate little. So if you ask me, ma'am, do we need to remember the units places of the power cycles that we are going to get for each and every number? Not required. Actually, we know it already, but we might not concentrate in generally to remember after square values of a particular number or cube values of particular number. Okay. Since you see here only 4 is the highest frequency for any number, you can understand and you can remember it well, guys. I'll give a complete shortcut. Please check it out. For 1, you no need to bother. For 1 power anything is equal to 1, so the frequency is 1. Next. For 2, I guess you can understand, you can remember it well. 2, 4, 8, 6. Okay. So next for 3 also you can remember. It's not that difficult because we are familiar with the 2, 3 mostly for calculations. Next, 4 power odd number is equal to 4. 4 power even number is equal to 6. 5 power anything 5. 6 power anything 6. 9 power odd number equal to 9. Okay. For this also you will be having the same logic. 9 power odd equal to 9 and 9 power even number is equal to 1. Okay. Only for 7 and 8 you have to remember, guys. That is also till square you can easily remember, or till cube you can easily remember. Next value, if you want to get next value, you can get just by multiplying with the previous units place. Okay. So we know 7 cube is equal to 343. If you want 7 power 4, no need to multiply it with 343 completely. Okay. Multiply last two places. 3 sevens are 21 now. 1 is the units place. Okay. That's how, while you are solving the question, if you can remember for 7 and 8 for few practice questions, then after few questions, you can really cope up with what are the units places and what is the cyclicity of that. Okay. So that is the best way to remember the values, guys. Let's solve few questions on this. And if you want, you can take a screenshot of this information. So this is very important concept in case of aptitude, guys. Unit digit concept. Within seconds, you can answer for the question without any doubt if you know this information. So any doubts regarding this power cycle concept? Shall I give questions on this? Yes or no? Please respond. Any doubts? If you understood, raise the hand. If you have a doubt, you post it here. If you are thinking to type too much, then you just let me know so that I'll let you speak your doubt. Clear? Done. Let's go for the question. So for every question, I'll give some instructions. Based on the instructions, please try to solve. Okay. Don't rush. Don't rush to give the answer. What is the unit digit of the particular calculation? Unit digit is nothing but last digit. If you want to answer unit digit or last digit of any question, no need to multiply the entire number. You can multiply units places of each and every number and you can answer for the unit digit of the entire calculation. Repeating the I'm repeating the logic once again, guys. If you want to answer the units place of any question, no need to multiply entire number. You can take units places to multiply the number and then answer for the question. Okay. Super, super. So for 312, my units place is 2. For 513, my units place is 3. For 614, my units place is 4. For 252, units place is 2. Okay. 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 6 eights are, that is nothing but 48. Even in 48, what is the units place? That is nothing but 8. So option A, 8 is the answer. So for this question, 8 is the answer. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about one more important point. What is that? If they are asking what are the last two digits of the multiplication, or otherwise if they're asking what are the last two digits of this calculation, or what is the tens place value of this calculation. Okay. If they're concentrating on tens place, you should not take only last place and then multiply and then give the answer. Okay. When they ask for last two digits, okay, or otherwise when they ask for tens place, you have to take last two places, guys. Okay. 12, 13, 14 and 52. Okay. This is the one point you have to keep it in mind, and this is the possible doubt that you will be getting. If they're asking unit digit, then directly you can take unit digit and you can answer for the question. If they're asking for tens place, then you have to take the value of tens place also into consideration and then answer for the question, guys. Because if you do general multiplication after first place, you will be not writing any value. Like below to the first place, you will not write any value. You might be writing addition symbol. Okay. From second place onwards, you will start writing the value. So that will be having changes over there in the tens place. Clear, guys? Shall I go for the next one? Or any more doubts? Okay. If they're asking for tens place or last two places, you no need to take only the last place. You have to concentrate on last two places also. Here is the next one. Naresh, can you repeat it once again? Okay. Let's go for the previous one. Since it's a voiceover lecture, if you are missing something, please respond so fast if you want to address the same question, because for each and every question I'm waiting for your response and then going for the next one. So for this question, if you want to answer what is the unit digit of given calculation, you no need to multiply the complete number. You can take last place or units place to multiply. Last places I have taken from each and every number and I multiplied and I got 48 as the answer. In 48, what is the units place? That is the answer for the question. Okay. So for this question, you can answer the question. But when somebody is asking you to answer for what is the last two digits of a question or otherwise last two digits of a calculation or tens place of a calculation, then just by taking units position, you can't get the calculation of last two places. In that case, you have to take last two places to calculate and then take on. Why, if you ask me, units place will not be affected by calculation, but tens place will be affected. If you just take units place only for calculation, you can't be getting the correct answer. If you ask me to prove or if you ask me to show with example, I'm leaving it to you guys. Is that fine, Naresh? Shall I go for the next one? Yes or no? Acknowledge so that I can go for the next. Thank you. So, yeah, next one. Most important thing in quant class is please don't do PhD. What is PhD means? Upon a single question, how can we solve this? How cannot we solve this? In which way we have to answer the question? If trainer is telling in one way, is there any other way to answer the question? That is called PhD. So if you are trying to do PhD, you can miss the explanation here. So for this question, you can answer the question, guys. But my point is, how many of you know how to find out unit digit of 2 power 2013? That's the point. For this question, you can answer the question easily. But my point is, how many of you know how to find out units place of 2 power 2013? Okay. Let me help you to understand the question better. Super, super, Kavya. So 5 power 199. 5 power any number can give you 5 as the units place. So no need to worry. Next, 6 power 3015. 6 power anything can give you 6 as the units place. So no need to worry. 5 power any number can give 5. 6 power any number can give 6. Okay. Already 6 5s are 30. You have units place is equal to 0 now. That means the answer for the question will be 0. But my point is, if you're understanding how to calculate the units place of 2 power 2013, then 50% of the question of this model will be solved easily, guys. Okay. So you have to concentrate to 2 power 2013 units place. Okay. If that is the case, what is the cyclicity of 2? Cyclicity of 2 is nothing but 4. Okay. So you have to divide the power of 2, which is 2013, with 4 and find out the remainder. Okay. So 4 5s are 20 and you have 13 here. 4 2s are, okay, 4 3s are 12. That means the remainder is nothing but 1. So whenever we are dividing any number with 4, we will not get 4 as remainder. Okay. We can get 0 if it is exactly divisible. We can get 1 if it is one excess. We can get 2, we can get 3. Okay. If remainder equal to 1, 2 power 1 value is the unit digit answer. If remainder is 2, 2 power 2 value is unit digit answer. If remainder is 3, then 2 power 3 is the unit digit answer. If remainder is 0, okay, listen to it carefully. When you divide with 4, you can't get a remainder 4, guys. Okay. When you divide with 4, you can't get a remainder 4. When you divide with 4, you can get a remainder 0. When you get a remainder 0, we have to go for the cycle ending value. Okay. What is the cycle? Cycle is nothing but 2486. Again 2486 like this. Okay. Cycle ending value is nothing but this now. So this is the value that you have to concentrate to take it as unit digit. Okay. So here in the question, I got the remainder equal to 1. As I got the remainder equal to 1, 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So the units place of 2 power 2013 is nothing but 2. 5 to 10, 10 into 6, which is equal to 60. What is units place means? That is 0. I'm reiterating the process once again. If you have any doubts, please let me know now itself, guys. 5 power 1999, 5 power any number can give you 5 as units place. 6 power 3015, 6 power any number can give you 6 as the units place. Okay. So 5 into 6, done. So my task is to understand and find what is the units place of 2 power 2013. So whenever you want to find out units place of any base that you have to understand what is the cyclicity of the base. So possible doubts you have, why you have taken 4 to divide the power of 2. Because I have taken 4, it is a cyclicity of 2. Okay. After dividing, why again you have correlated with powers of 2? Because base is 2, I have linked that with powers of 2. Okay. So if 1 is remainder, 2 power 1 will be the unit digit value. If 2 is remainder, 2 power 2. If 3 is remainder, 2 power 3. And 4 can't be remainder whenever you divide any number with 4. Okay. So possible remainder that you will be getting other case is nothing but 0. So when you get remainder 0, you have to go for the cycle ending process to list out the proper unit digit. So as here 1 is the remainder, 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2. So that can be taken here in the place of unit digit of 2 power 2013. So clear with the process, guys, or any more doubts? Shall I go for the next one? Yes or no? Please respond. Any doubts? The next question, if I go and solve, please don't ask me with which value we have to divide. See the base. What is the cyclicity of the base? Divide with the base, and then after that, whatever the reminders we get, that related to the base of the powers. Okay. Done. Next one. Just to confuse you, they have given subtraction, guys. So actually for 4 power 37, 6 power 38, it can't be working because 4 powers will be greater than 6 powers now. So don't do PhD on this values because 4 power 37 will be obviously less than 6 power 38. Whatever the number that they have given, take it for the units place. Okay. Subtraction, if that is not happening, whatever we do, borrow. We'll take a borrow and we'll take value from the question. Subtraction is not happening means we'll take a borrow. Actually, it should be 14, I guess, not 4. Yeah. The question is this, guys. 14 power 37 minus 6 power 38. Not 4 actually. Why? Because 4 power 37 will be for sure less than the value. Okay. When subtraction is not possible, we'll take a borrow now. Please don't look for negative values. Okay. As values are not there, don't give me 0 as answer. I told you logic already, guys. If that is 14 power 37 means how many your digits are there within the number, your concentration should be on the last digit. Okay. That means this will be 4 power 37 minus 6 power 38. Okay. I have already told you 4 power odd number can give you 4 as the units place, and 4 power even number can give you 6 as the units place. Okay. So next, if you have taken 6 powers, 6 power any number, that means whether it's a odd number or otherwise whether it's a even number, 6 power any number can give you 6 as the units place. Okay. So keeping that in mind, 4 power 37. 37 is odd number or even number? 37 is odd number now. So 4 power odd number, we have 4 as the units place, minus 6 power any number will have 6 as the units place. Okay. Actually, we are solving for 14 power 37. We'll get a big number, and at the end we'll have 4, and we are solving for 6 power 38. Okay, we'll get a big number, and this will end with 6. Generally, whenever subtraction is not possible, we'll take a borrow and we'll make it as 14. 14 minus 6, that is nothing but 8. So what is the units place means? Units place is option D, 8. Don't look for negative value, guys. 4 minus 6 means minus 2 is not there. It's not only for that place we are doing a subtraction. For the entire number of complete 14 power 37, we are doing subtraction. It's not 4 power 37, guys. 14 power 37 minus 6 power 38. So got the logic of the question? Yes or no? If yes, please raise the hands and acknowledge so that we can go for the next question to solve. Any doubts, guys? Clear? Yeah. Let's go for the next one. So whatever the number of digits that you have to concentrate on the units place to answer for the question. Okay. So if they have given 45 power 52, your concentration should be 5 power 52. Okay. So just apply the shortcut, guys. 62 power 112 means your concentration is 2 power 112. Done. So if 116 power 286, your concentration is 6 power 286. Okay. Just by looking at the question, you can answer it, guys. Please don't take much time. Apply the shortcut to give the answer. 154, Madhusudan Reddy, and so 5 power any value can give you 5 as the units place. Done. Next, 6 power any value can give 6 as the units place. Done. So now your task is to understand what is the units place of 2 power 12. Okay. So 2 power 112 means you know that cyclicity of 2 is nothing but 4, right? Yes or no? So divide the power 112 with 4. So 4 twos 8. This is exactly divisible. 4 eights 32. Exactly divisible means you get a remainder equal to 0. Okay. So we already know base of the value is equal to 2. Cyclicity is 4. That's the reason we have divided the power with the cyclicity value 4. Okay. So as we got the remainder 0, respective reminders correlate for the values of powers of 2 as unit digit. If remainder is 1, it is 2. If remainder is 2, it is 4. If remainder is 3, it is 8. If remainder is 0, when you divide any number with 4, you can't get 4 as the remainder. You will get 0 as the remainder. Cycle ending value you have to take. 16 na, but it is only 6 you will take because you are concentrating on units place. So 2486, 2486 is the logic. If you follow the logic as the remainder is 0, cycle ending value you have to take, that is nothing but 6. So what is the units place of the second term calculation, guys? That is nothing but 6. So apply the value that we have here. That will be minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 is going to get cancelled. So what's the answer for the question? Answer for the question is nothing but option D. Option D. Only thing is we have to understand whether it's a completely divisible or not, guys. Okay. Actually, we have divisibility rule of 4. With that, you no need to take this many steps also. Directly, you can say 112 is exactly divisible. Okay. so that we can simplify over there. Just by looking at the question, we can answer it. Any one of you, do you know the divisible